Hello, this is ILF YouTube channel on how to open and run your business in Ukraine. If you are a foreigner who opened a company in Ukraine, then sometime you might face a problem: a toxic or inefficient manager. There are 5 most frequent situations that might occur with this person. The first is the decrease of financial results and no focused increase in results as you have planned. The second, very often, there is mismatch between the vision of the owner and the vision of the manager on the strategy and operational goals. The third, very unpleasant, is theft. And sometimes people just disappear. Some of them on the vacational leave or on the medical leave, or they just do not show up for work. And finally, some managers just leave your business unexpectedly and go to another company. So what to do in this situation? How to fire such a manager if there is no other solution according to the law, in order not to have a negative impact on your business, in the market and in the team. And what is very important, in order to avoid the labor dispute in the court in the future. Well, I will help you. The first and foremost thing you should think about is the facts. You should prove each situation I have mentioned. You can document financial results with the reports or with the KPI results. Or you can ask your team for the feedback about the manager's behavior or assess this person according to the internal rules of your company, like, for example, 360 degrees assessment system. You can do it yourself or with the external consultant, but it's very important to document each non-fulfillment of the employment duties, whether it is absence from work or shortages in production, or even the evidences of relatives if your manager just disappeared. The next step is to find the legal grounds for dismissal. There are a range of them, but in Ukraine there are four main grounds that you may consider. The first is dismissal on the grounds stipulated in the contract, of course if you made this contract beforehand. The second is termination of the official authority. It means that you can fire your manager anytime, and even you shouldn't explain why you decided so, but you should consider that you should pay the compensation package for that. Also, there are such grounds like violation of the work discipline and dismissal on the mutual agreement of the parties. Then, when you decided on the facts and the legal grounds, you should consider the procedure of dismissal. It's very important because this might become one of the problems if you get to the court with a labor dispute. You should issue all the necessary documents and give them to the employer in the right order. I have attached a special checklist for you, which you can download for free, and there you will find in the comments to this video all the detailed information on the grounds, on the facts, and on the procedure that you might follow in the country in order to dismiss the manager. And 2 important facts. The first, suspend the employer-initiated dismissal in case if the employee is on vacation or on the sick leave. And the second, cancel the employer-initiated dismissal in case if the employee is pregnant. Dismissal of the manager is a very serious business decision, and it might have a negative impact on the business and on the team. You should always consider the risk of the labor dispute. To reduce the risks, you should always think about the contract when you hire this person. You should discuss in details the duties of the manager and the compensation package if something happens. With such contract, you will reduce the controversial issues in the case of the manager's dismissal. I hope that this information was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, then you will get the freshest videos on how to run and open your business in Ukraine. And leave your comments if there are any questions concerning that. See you soon!